Yeah, sure.
When his mic doesn't work for him, that'll be like irony, right? He can toss that one.
So we've seen some recent companies like Dutch Pinball and especially Highway Pinball have financial troubles, and they you faced similar scenario as Highway Pinball and Dutch Pinball. Why do you think you succeeded where others failed?
Well, that's a good loaded question. First of all, I will tell you, I give all the thanks to God. I have really amazing, lucky, wonderful faith in God. So I never gave up. I give the credit to my family who supported me and stayed with me and encouraged me. And really good friends like Mike who believed in me, other distributors that believed in me and what we were doing, people that worked for the company that didn't give up. I do believe if you don't give up, you can't fail.